Seaview Primary travels from St. Elizabeth to compete against Mineral Heights Primary from Clarendon. The team talk. Switching from their South St. Elizabeth view, Seaview enters our frame with junior quiz in sight.
At Seaview Primary and Infant School, perseverance brings success.
Our team is very hardworking. They are very committed to this quiz competition. I know they want the win, and definitely we will go home victorious this afternoon. So here we have Yannick Daly, and she'll be doing science. We have Okelia Coke, and she will be doing social studies. Monifia Martin, and she will be doing language arts. And we have Romain Honigon, and he will be doing mathematics.
We are Mineral Heights Primary, and we are striving for excellence.
These students have been recommended by their grade 4 and 5 teachers respectively. They have been training for some time.
If you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you have won the battle even before you have started.
We see them in training, and those who have done the work, they are the ones that are here. We have Shernice Williams doing mathematics, Corey Pitter doing science, Talia Pattison doing language arts, and Janae Rowe doing social studies.
Time now for Section 1, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Seaview Primary won. They decided to have Mineral Heights Primary play first. So with that being said, Mineral Heights Primary, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Of whom did Jesus ask the question, "Why persecutest thou me?"
Job.
That's incorrect. It's Saul or Paul. Seaview Bible knowledge. Of whom did Jesus ask, "Do you love me?" 3 times.
Peter.
That's correct. Mineral Heights Science. What is the name of the jelly-like fluid found in the eye between the retina and the lens?
Virtuous humor.
That's correct. Seaview Science. Which light-sensitive cells in the eye allow us to see colors?
Cones.
That's correct. Mineral Heights Jamaican Affairs. In which Jamaican parish is the Mystic Mountain attraction?
St. Anne.
Is correct. Seaview Jamaican Affairs. In which Jamaican parish is the Arawak Museum?
St. Andrew.
That's incorrect. It's St. Catherine. Mineral Heights English language. What is the past participle of the word ride?
Road.
That's incorrect. It's ridden. Seaview English language. What is the past tense of the word shine?
Sean.
That's incorrect. It's shown. Mineral Heights general knowledge. What is the general name given to a 2-footed animal? Time's up. Seaview, want to try?
No, miss.
It's a biped. Seaview general knowledge. What is the general name given to a 4-footed animal? It's a quadruped. Mineral Heights social studies. What are the 2 dominant colors of the Haitian flag?
Red and blue.
Red and blue.
That's correct. Seaview social studies. What are the 2 colors of the Nigerian flag?
Green and yellow.
That's incorrect. It's green and white. Mineral Heights music. What is the highest female voice?
Soprano.
That's right. Seaview music. What is the lowest male voice? Time's up. Mineral Heights, want to try?
Base.
Base is correct. Mineral Heights, still with you. Mathematics. What is the value of the Roman numerals L, X, I, V?
64.
That's correct. Seaview Mathematics. What is the value of the Roman numerals X, C, I, V? Time's up. Mineral Heights, want to try?
Yes, Miss. 94.
Is correct. Mineral Heights. Sports. What at the Summer Olympics, what is the longest distance track and field event?
1,500 meters.
1,500 meters.
That's incorrect. It's the marathon. Seaview Sports. At the Summer Olympics, what is the longest relay in track and field?
4 by 100.
4 by 100.
That's incorrect. It's actually 4 by 400 meters. And that brings us to the end of section 1.
Seaview made attempts at 6 of their 9 questions. Mineral Heights tried for 8 of theirs, adding an extra 2 to their original. Scores read: Seaview Primary 2, Mineral Heights Primary 7.